Already got my ribbon. Ready to go. Getting more organised now. So these are the two pieces of 19 centimetres or 7.5 inches. And I will put up the other sizes once I've worked all of those out, because they should be pretty similar to standard tuxbow sizes, but I will check later for you. And what you want to do is you want about 1.5 centimetres either side, so you get about 5 centimetres or 2 inches along. And again, any alligator clips or anything that will hold your ribbon in place as we're folding everything and getting the stitches in so it doesn't slip about. Okay, and I'm just going to heat seal the ends as well. And if you want it extra secure, where the ribbons overlap, and then pinch, it will stick those together. And this is why crafters have no fingerprints. Okay, so that's one side, and that's your other. What we're going to do is make sure both sides are the same, which is what you want. You want it to be the same width all the way along. And we're going to fold in half, and we're going to heat seal this to get a nice crease for us to go. Now to make the peekaboo version, which was a little gingerbread one, you would bring both like so and stitch like a normal tuxbow, and like I said, you just get the little bit hint of darker pink beneath. Or you can do the duo version, twisted version, and it is just over the crease a little bit, and then I'm going to move that so it can hold it in place, and then we fold this one back again just over that crease, the teeniest bit, just so you've got something to stitch through. And you can see about 1/2 centimetre, maybe less, on both sides. Okay, I'm just going to tie off my thread because I haven't done that for once. This is how easy this version is. Like I said, it's super cute for like little pigtails and things like that, and again you've got a lot of options on your colours. And from above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your hold clips out. Make sure you've caught all your layers, and you want in 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3 on the back. As you can see, we've caught all of those, that's good. And then we're going to cinch. And then wrap. Like so. And then stitch off in the back. there we go. That's how easy it is. Okay. I won't embarrass you by showing my ribbon 9mm ribbon tub. It's just next to my foot. I've had to order a ribbon spool wrapping tool for my ribbon because I am not very organised with it at the moment, and I need to sort that out ASAP because I'm losing track of what colours and things like that I've got, and ordering things that I don't need and then not ordering ribbon that I do need. So once I've got that all organised again, there we go. Touch of glue on my clip, right on the back. Just hold that for a second. There we go. Heat seal the end. Touch of glue. Yeah, organising all of my ribbon properly is definitely going to be a task for me for the next couple of weeks. I want it all colour coordinated and everything so that I can literally go, right, there's all my pink tones, there's all my blue tones, and just be able to reach them without even stressing myself out. So, that. Wrap your middle as normal, twice round. I might even go so far as buying some new storage. And hold down. And there you go. An adorable twisted duo bow. Like I said, you can put it either way round. Like I said, the perfect pigtails, you can put bubbles on them instead. You've got every colour option that you can possibly think of, and each bow basically gives you